Hello everyone. Welcome to another learning session of Foundation of Programming at Codemode, where you learn by practice. Currently you are learning all about data, and in today's class we will learn about logical operation on data. In the previous two classes we have learned about the arithmetic operation as well as relational operation, in which we learned about different arithmetic operators as well as we learned about comparison operators such as double equal, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, and less than equal to. Now before I start, don't forget to like this video and follow our channel by subscribing. You simply need to click subscribe button, especially if you're watching it on YouTube. Your likes and subscriptions motivate me to create more videos and courses. Let's begin. Logical operators are the third type of operators or third category of operators in majority of the programming languages. We use logical operators to combine more than one conditions. For example, if you create a condition that says age is greater than equal to, we learned that logical comparison in the last class. Age is greater than equal to. But at the same time, I also want to say if you are a resident of the country, then only you are eligible to vote. Then I can create another condition that says resident, this variable called resident, and it is a Boolean value. It can be true or it can be false. So let's say I'm checking if resident, and then I'm checking, I will use double equal to and say resident equal to true. So now I have two conditions. Both conditions must be true for somebody to vote. That means I'm saying this condition has to be totally true and this condition also has to be totally true. Then only the result of these two conditions has to be true. And if you remember the logic gates, in the logic gates, if we say that one age and then value 18, and this whole condition and another condition, these two together has to be true and they are connected by AND operator, then this will be true, because true and true as per the truth table is always true. That is where the use of logic gate is actually, you can look at this type of when we use the logical operation on data. So once you learn to create an condition, then logical operators becomes useful where we start using the AND operator. Now in some programming language the word AND is used, and some programming language AND is used as two separate operand, ampersand signs. Similarly, or in some programming languages you use two vertical, these two pipes, and then for not you use not, or in some language you also see exclamation mark for not symbol. But the idea is same. You use not, and, or, all three logical operators to combine one or more than one conditions, in which I am treating this as one condition and this as second condition. And you can have more conditions, in fact, on or connected by, maybe there is a third condition here, some other condition, and that says that you must be this or one of these two. Now when you have multiple conditions, you may want to use a parenthesis, because remember parenthesis takes precedence, it has higher order. So first anything inside the parenthesis will evaluate, and then the result will be combined with or, connected with or, and this condition. Now that's all in today's class. I hope you understand it. Again, practice will make you perfect. You should go and on the platform. If you're watching it in YouTube, I'll encourage you to go to my.codemode.us and practice. If you have any question, you can also post a question there, and somebody would answer you. Take time to solve the quiz associated with this concept. It will not only make you practice, but also test your knowledge and understanding. I'll see you all in the next class. Keep learning.